Welcome to our comparison of two popular smartphone gimbals, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P and the hohem iSteady M6. In this video, we will dive deep into their features, performance, and overall value. Whether you're a budding filmmaker or a casual user, choosing the right gimbal can significantly enhance your video capturing experience. Let's get started. When it comes to battery life, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P offers a respectable 10 hours of use, which is suitable for short filming sessions. However, the hohem iSteady M6 takes the lead with an impressive 18-hour battery life, making it ideal for extended shooting days without the need for frequent recharges. This difference can be crucial for content creators who are often on the go and need reliable performance throughout the day. Both gimbals feature 3-axis stabilization, ensuring smooth video capture. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7P is known for its user-friendly design and effective stabilization. In contrast, the hohem iSteady M6 not only provides 3-axis stabilization, but also incorporates AI tracking technology, allowing it to follow subjects seamlessly. This added functionality can significantly enhance the filming experience, especially in dynamic environments. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7P comes equipped with a built-in extension rod and tripod, providing versatility for various shooting angles. On the other hand, the hohem iSteady M6 features a built-in magnetic fill light, which is adjustable for different lighting conditions. This can be particularly beneficial for low-light scenarios, allowing users to capture well-lit footage without additional equipment. In conclusion, both the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P and hohem iSteady M6 offer unique advantages tailored to different user needs. The Osmo Mobile 7P is compact and easy to use, while the iSteady M6 excels in battery life and advanced features. Depending on your filming style and requirements, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.